some of the plan design has come about not as a result of any great wisdom at the payer level, but simply by the consumer choosing the higher deductibles and trying to keep their costs down, which has then resulted in their becoming more engaged and the payors being a little bit more sensitive to the need to make that deductible dollar go further. Everybody benefits in that situation.
Excellent. Great. Thanks. And then if I can just ask one last question. You touched on very quickly when you were talking about growth drivers, breast tomosynthesis, and that's something you highlighted on the last conference call. Could you just give us a sense of where you're at there in terms of implementation and maybe where you expect to go?
Yes. Built into our budgets this year will be probably somewhere at least 10 to 20 tomosynthesis units at a minimum throughout all of our markets. There isn't a market that we're in where we aren't getting asked and where we see the benefits of doing tomosynthesis. What we're really trying to determine, and which the new fee schedule, now that tomosynthesis has become a new CPT code, what we're really trying to determine is the appropriateness and of when to do tomosynthesis and what the patient cost or experience will be with that. So we will do in 2015 over the 5 million plus exams that we'll do, probably close to 1 million of those exams will be mammography, which we have to determine in any given market where the demand for tomosynthesis will be the greatest, both not only from the patient request, but from where we think it enhances the overall clinical care. So I would say that we're likely to spend of our 40 to 45 million in CapEx. I would imagine somewhere between 5 and 10 million of that will be for breast tomosynthesis. And part of our ability to make those dollars go far further is our leverage with being a large purchaser of these systems and getting, I think, better pricing on that than the average operator out there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bill.
As a reminder, it's star 1 to ask a question. It appears we have no further questions at this time. I'd like to turn the conference back over to today's speakers for any additional or closing remarks.
Thank you all for your participation today, and we look forward to the next earnings call for the first quarter of 2015.
This does conclude today's conference. Thank you for your participation.
Please hang up and try your call again. If you'd like assistance, please dial 0, and a TELUS operator will be happy to help you. Please hang up and try your call again. If you'd like assistance, please dial 0, and a TELUS operator will be happy to help you.